Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button. If you have not subscribed, like and also make your comments. So, if you are following this channel consistently, we would have seen how we talk about this goal and GBPJPY giving us a bearish move, right? And we also talked about having this pullback, right? And I told you guys that after this pullback is over, we should expect a bearish move, right? And now that bearish move has now started. We can now see the pullback for this our GBPJPY is over. So the bearish move has started. So for the 29, which is today, right now I'm doing this analysis, our price opened and closed bearish. Now we would want to see where this movement will be made, where this movement will go for the next day. We would want to know where our price will get to for the next day, which is for the 30th of December, which is Friday. I think tomorrow will be the last day for this year on our currency markets, right? So by the time the market will open next, it will be next year. So if you take a look at this moment, this bearish move has started. Is it over? Definitely not. We still expect a more drop. Now, one of the reasons why we expect more drop is that first of all, take a look at the trend for this moment. You can see that this is a bearish move. Let's start it from here. So for quick analysis, this is the movement here. We will take a look at this to be a drop, a lower lows, and we see this to be a lower highs, then a new lower lows, and you can see this to be a lower highs, new lower lows, and after that new lower lows, what do you expect? A lower highs. After this lower highs, what do you expect next? Of course, we expect another lower lows, and you see this lower lows, we had a bearish move today. The next day, we also expect price to open and close bearish. At least you should be able to take out a level of 159 and 158. I think we should get to a level of 158 by tomorrow. So currently, this market is trading at 160. GBPJPY is trading at a level of 160. By this time tomorrow, by the time the markets will close, at least we should get to a level of 158. If we don't get it, then I believe we'll get to a level of 159. Above all, our price will be giving us a bearish move. We should see it open and close bearish the next day. So if you can grab about 100 pips on GBPJPY, I think that will be okay. So that is it. You can also see it is still trading below the 10 period moving average. Now you all know the rules of trading it, right? As long as your price is trading below your moving average, especially on the daily time frame, then you should just look for a setup to go ahead and sell, right? Just wait for a position, setup, and anything to go ahead and sell. So that is it. GBPJPY, we are expecting a bearish move the next day. Now this will take us to the 4-hour time frame. So previously we were having a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. And this pullback was kind of like a bullish move, right? So you can see it trading above our 10 period moving average. Now this drop has started. The drop that we are predicting for on GBPJPY has started. You can now see it trading below our 10 period moving average. So you can see this as a drop. We would now take a look at this to be a pullback, then a new drop on the 4-hour time frame. You see this little bit of a green that gives us a pullback. What do you expect? Another drop. So again, it has confirmed that GBPJPY we should expect a bearish move for the next day.